This is our guest house, and the puppies have a lot of rooms they can share with the guest house that is unoccupied now. So here are our leather couches, and as you see, they're very good. They don't damage anything. They just play right next door. And the soon-to-be dining room and the kitchen. And as you see, they're all used to everything. The water bowl's there. They hear dishwashers and any handyman noises from down the hall when they're working on the house. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's Wendy. She loves being with her puppies. Yeah, that's right, Miss Windsor. Yeah. And they love pulling on her tail. That's number 3. Yeah, you give your ma a licky, you're a good girl. Yeah.